Hello, my friend, and welcome back to today's video. It is the fourth in my series about the 4 essential elements on how to organize your inbox for good, and I'm so glad you're here. If you've watched the first 3 videos in this series, then you have cleared out your inbox clutter. You have stopped the volume of email coming into your inbox, and you've also set up a simple system to keep everything organized. But now I want to talk about the most important element, and that's time. Because here's the thing, you can have a decluttered inbox with low volume coming in and a great system, but if you're not dedicating time to maintain it, then it's like a garden, a beautiful garden that you've planted, but you just don't water, right? It's gonna wither. So you have set up your inbox. You've unsubscribed ruthlessly. You have set up filters and labels. You've got a low volume in your inbox. It's purposeful. You know what the emails are. You're feeling good, right? Well, the hard work doesn't stop there. Time is a crucial element that a lot of people forget about, and they're hoping like, hey, can I just get a magic wand and have my inbox kind of sustain itself into organization? And yes, if you hire an assistant who can help you manage it and they use their time dedicated to working in and on your inbox, and probably sometime shortly in the near future, I'm sure there's going to be some AI technologies that will be able to help us even more than the capabilities that already exist. But for now, time is going to be your time. And I often recommend to my clients that they schedule time on their calendars dedicated to email management. And for example, just with this calendar, from 1 to 2, Monday through Friday, I have on here dedicated to spending on email. So throughout the day, a lot of my clients, myself included, I'll go into my inbox and, delete things I don't need or put them into labels as needed, label them as needed, unsubscribe. I think I mentioned that already. I love unsubscribing if you can't tell. But really this dedicated time for email are the emails where responses are needed or projects or tasks need to be built out or processed or thought about. Things need to be addressed, right? So that is when I'm speaking about time, dedicating time to address the emails that need action to be taken on them outside of just quick one-offs. And here's why time matters. It's because consistency is key. So consistency, taking consistent action in your inbox is absolutely essential for maintaining it over the long run. And I have here an hour a day for, this exercise. It's going to look different for everybody. For some people, it might be 15 minutes a day is enough. For some people, it's going to be 2 to 3 hours, right? Depending on your lifestyle and the needs for you in particular. So the big takeaway is that your system and organizing your inbox is only as good as the time you spend maintaining it. If you don't put in the time, those filters and labels will not save you, and you will quickly end up in the chaos that brought you to these videos in the first place. So the quick challenge for this video is to put time on your calendar for whatever time allotment you think would work for you. I would suggest that you overestimate the amount of time that you need to work on your inbox. And as you gain an understanding of what your needs are, you can refine that as needed. But start with, 30 minutes a day, an hour a day, and do that for 1 week. And if you're like, Caitlin, I don't use a digital calendar and I'm not good at time management, I have great news for you. My next playlist is all about building out and starting to use a digital calendar. In that playlist, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a digital calendar, how to plan your time accordingly every week, and the biggest issue that I come across with people starting to use and implement digital calendars. So subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that, so you'll be first to know when that drops. See you next time, and thank you so much for watching.